Big Mama. Sorry pa, Big Mama. Yan. Dito tayo ng roti. Yan. Ang roti dito.
Crepe, not roti.
Ha? Ah, crepe. It's a crepe, not roti.
Roti.
Roti
crepe,
like this?
crepe. Yeah.
It's a crepe.
Pancake, crepe.
Chocolate. Ano na naman?
Crepe and chocolate.
Ha?
Crunchy siya, pancake.
Okay. It's a crepe. Chocolate crunchy crepe. Oh, yummy, yummy. Oh, yeah. They have different flavors. Flavors. You can choose flavors. And this one too. And they have squid, dry squid. Yes, 1 for 100. Dry squid, dry tale. For the crate. Chocolate crate. Yummy. Alright, we will buy yes, marshmallow jelly bread. Okay. So, lalagyan din ng nakakang coco. Jelly. Jelly and marshmallow. They have a lot of flavors over here. Yeah, 80 baht po guys. Yummy. Alright, so what do you